So first, let's check if your Samsung TV is connected to the internet. This is super important because Disney Plus needs an internet connection. Next, look for the Samsung Smart Hub on your TV home screen. It's like a magical portal to all your apps. And if you don't see Disney Plus, the app, you might need to download it. So just go to the apps section, search for Disney Plus, and click on it to install it. Sometimes the app may need an update. So to do this, go to the settings menu and find the software update option. Now, if Disney Plus is still missing, try searching for it directly in the search bar. Another great tip is to restart your TV. It sounds simple, but it can solve a lot of problems. And finally, if none of these steps are working, check if Disney Plus is available in your country or your region. So just remember, it's super easy to get Disney Plus up and running. Like, comment, subscribe to keep getting helpful tips like this. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.